Hey, Titus.
Titus, who's coming? Titus! Are you comfortable with my truck? This is my truck, see? I got a police radio right there. I got my coffee right there. I got my T-Mobile bill right there. I got a dog hair remover right there. I got my Nikon right there. And then, guess what? I got my grandson right there. That's Jeremy. Look at him. He's teasing the dog always. Right, Titus? Titus.
Smile for the camera.
Hey, Titus. Smell his socks.
Hey.
Yeah, he is. Well, he's got to go back in. He's got to go back in.
Where is
He's right here. Jeremy? He doesn't want to get out.
He's having too much fun.